Hi everyone, it's Yudi Lemmer over at Copy Connect again, making my second video. I just want to let you guys know that I have put together a COVID-19 resource page on our website. We are trying to be more than just an IT company. We are trying to be resourceful to the community and help people that are in need, try to consolidate all this information and validate all these loads of information out there on the web. So I put together this webpage on my site. It's another landing page. It's computeconnect.it/COVID-19. I'll go ahead and post it down here in the comments as well. Super resourceful. Lots of great tools you can use, from collaboration tools, lots of information about finance, some good podcasts to tune into, and some positive news about coronavirus, about stuff that the news don't talk about recovery rates and potential vaccines that have been found. We will continue to update that website with more resources as we come across them, and as we have some more information to announce. Another fantastic thing I have is we're sending out weekly COVID-19 security tips, things to stay, ways to stay alert, things to know about during this pandemic and critical time, especially around cybersecurity and the overall safety of working from home and being on the web in general. You do have an option to opt in for those emails. You'll get one email a week. You're not going to get spammed, and no COVID-19 in the subject or anything, but just some really helpful tips from IT and cybersecurity experts like myself that you can leverage and just stay ahead of the curve. Anyway, here to help. If there's anything else you guys need, from anywhere from remote setup to IT support, we're here to support you, and feel free to reach out and give us a call. Thank you.